Welcome to the best picks. The best leveling kit is probably one of the most effective upgrades you can make to your Silverado 1500. This simple modification not only gives your truck a more aggressive look by raising the front end but also prepares it for larger tires, enhancing both its appearance and off-road capabilities. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about selecting the perfect 2-inch leveling kit. Number 5. Rough Country 2 Leveling Kit for Chevy GMC 1500. Are you ready to upgrade your ride? This leveling kit from Rough Country gives your GM 1500 the perfect blend of performance, protection, and style. This kit increases ground clearance, allowing you to tackle on and off-road obstacles with ease. It maintains a smooth, OEM-like ride, so you won't sacrifice comfort for capability. The leveling kit levels the front of your vehicle with the rear, giving it a more balanced and aggressive stance. Installation is straightforward, and you don't need to disassemble your struts. Installation is easy with a simple bolt-on process that you can do at home. Rough Country provides support to guide you through the process. This product is backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing that it's built to last. What we like. This kit maintains a smooth, factory-like ride, ensuring your truck handles just as well as it did before. Installation is a breeze with its bolt-on design, saving you time and effort. If you prioritize a comfortable ride and easy installation, this kit is the perfect choice for your Silverado 1500. What people say. First off, the kit comes with 2 spacers, 4 bolts, 8 washers, 4 nuts, instructions, Rough Country advertising sticker, and a yellow Rough Country warning sticker to put either on the inside of the door alongside the other factory spec stickers, in the glove box, or in the engine compartment. Choice is yours, but it's bright and notifies anyone working on the truck or future owner that there is a modification. In the video they stated loosening and leaving the sway bar bolt loose. For us this was humanly impossible to pry the strut far enough away from the lower control arm to slip the spacer in safely. We simply unscrewed the top nut and removed it completely from the sway bar but left the bolt in place, giving you much more room to move strut up and down. This product made my truck completely level as advertised, and it looks a lot better as well. I don't do much heavy towing, so I was looking to get rid of the factory rake on my truck. The truck rides the same with this product. It's still smooth down the road, and I don't notice a difference in handling. This product is made of heavy-duty plastic material, so it will not rust. Number 4. Rough Country 2 Leveling Kit for Chevy GMC 1500. This leveling kit from Rough Country is designed to give your GM 1500 a boost. It's the perfect upgrade for those seeking improved performance and style. Tackle any obstacles with ease. This kit increases ground clearance, allowing you to confidently navigate both on and off-road terrains. Don't sacrifice comfort for performance. This kit maintains a smooth, factory-like ride, ensuring a pleasant driving experience. Installation is a breeze. You won't need to disassemble your struts, making the process straightforward and saving you time and effort. Made from T6061 billet aluminum, this kit is built to last. It's backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, offering peace of mind. What we like. This kit features a striking red aluminum design, adding a touch of style to your truck. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to upgrade your truck without any hassle. If you like a bold look and easy installation, this kit is the perfect choice for your Silverado 1500. What people say. Follow the instructions and it's a simple install. It leveled my truck perfectly. Worked perfect and easy to install, looks good and truck sights higher and level. Number 3. Richeer Silverado Sierra 1500 2 Leveling Lift Kit. This kit is designed specifically for your Silverado or Sierra 1500, model years 2007 through 2024. It's engineered to fit both 2WD and 4WD models, ensuring a perfect match for your truck. These forged front strut spacers are the core of the kit. They are made from 6061 T6 aluminum forged alloy material, ensuring it's sturdy and durable. The spacers are built to last and withstand tough conditions. The kit lifts the front of your vehicle by 2 inches. This provides increased ground clearance, allowing you to tackle off-road obstacles with ease. It also gives your truck a more aggressive stance. CNC automatic processing ensures high accuracy and stability, with a tolerance of just 0.02 mm. This provides accurate hole positions for easy installation. The pre-installed heat-treated 12.9 grade studs add to the quality. Installation is quick and easy, typically completed within 1 to 2 hours. No cutting or drilling is required, and it doesn't require strut coil disassembly. This kit is designed for a hassle-free upgrade. All Richeer products come with a 2-year warranty. This covers any defects in materials or workmanship, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. You can trust this product. What we like. This kit is built with CNC automatic processing, ensuring high accuracy and stability. It's made from sturdy and durable 6061 Te6 aluminum forged alloy material. If you are looking for a kit that provides unparalleled ground clearance and allows the installation of larger rims and tires, this is the one. What people say. Easy installation, perfect fit. I installed this myself on my 2010 Silverado. Took me almost 8 hours and I'm a good mechanic. Stock bolts were all rotted out and needed to be torched out. The lift adds about an inch overall. Number 2. Maxracing 2 Leveling Kit for Chevy GMC 1500. Introducing the Maxracing 2 Leveling Kit. It's designed to give your truck a more aggressive stance and improved ground clearance. This kit is a simple upgrade for a killer look. This leveling kit fits various Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, and related models from 2007 to 2025. However, it's important to note that it does not fit certain models like the Denali, Classic, ZR2, Trail Boss, AT4, Magnaride, and new body style 4WD models. The kit raises the front of your truck by 2 inches, though the actual thickness of the kit is about 1 inch. The ratio isn't 1:1. This is a crucial detail for installation. Maxracing kits are CNC machined from billet aluminum and anodized black. This ensures durability and a perfect match with your factory suspension. It's built to last and look great. Installation is a breeze with a simple bolt-on design. You don't need to disassemble your struts. You can achieve that killer look in just 1.5 to 2 hours. It maintains your factory ride quality. The kit increases ground clearance and levels the front with the rear. Recommended tire size is 285/75 R17. It weighs only 2.5 pounds. What we like. This kit offers a simple bolt-on installation, saving you time and effort. It maintains your factory ride quality, so you won't sacrifice comfort for style. If you want to level your truck and gain ground clearance without compromising the ride, this kit is a great option. What people say. Excellent leveling kit. I installed these on a 2018 Silverado. I'm running 33x 12.5 or 22 mud tires with Yukon Denali 22 inches wheels, plus 24 offset, 5.94 backspacing, and no rub. Before the alignment the tires slightly rubbed the sway bar at full lock and didn't rub at all against the fender liner. After the alignment with the caster angle adjusted, there was no rub at all. These 2 inches leveling blocks leveled the truck perfectly flat with no change in the rear. 2.5 inches is the max that can be added to the front without lowering the transfer case as well as other mods. So, 2 inches is a good comfortable lift height to simply level the truck with minimal other mods. Install was easy. 1. Remove the 21mm nut on the tie rod, tap out and push aside. 2. Remove, or cut off, the sway bar end links. 3. Remove both lower bolts on the strut. Use a pry bar under the strut and pry against the lower control arm to slide the spacer in, then use a pry bar in the space between the upper control arm and the bottom of the spring to push the bottom of the strut inward toward the holes to align them. With the spacers the bottom of the strut will want to push out toward you, so you'll need to pry it back to slot the bolt in. It takes a little work and a bit of luck to get the first bolt hole lined up. Number 1. MotoFab Lift CH2LM 2-inch front leveling lift kit. Introducing the MotoFab Lift CH2LM lift kit. This kit is designed to raise the front of your truck, giving it a more leveled stance. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. These lifts are CNC machined from billet aluminum. Then, they're anodized black to match your truck's factory suspension. This ensures both durability and a sleek look. Installation is quick and easy. You can install it in about 1.5 to 2 hours. Unlike other kits, it doesn't require strut or coil disassembly, saving you time and effort. This kit is proudly made in the USA. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. You can trust it to withstand the test of time. The MotoFab Lift CH-2LM is compatible with 2007 to 2025 Chevrolet and GM 1500 pickups, old body style. Make sure it fits your vehicle before purchase. This kit provides a true 2-inch lift to the front of your truck. It enhances both the appearance and performance of your vehicle. It's a great way to improve your truck's capabilities. What we like. This kit provides a true 2-inch lift, giving your truck a more aggressive stance. It's proudly made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty. If you want a reliable, American-made leveling kit that offers a significant lift, this is the one for you. What people say. First off, the kit comes with 2 billet aluminum spacers, 4 bolts, 8 washers, 4 nuts, and instructions. MotoFab has an unmatched quality control department that ensures correct blemish-free products. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.